Hi guys, today we're going to install the Roush cold air intake on my Mustang. And my little brother Brandon is going to help us unbox this. Brandon?
You fucking bent the sword.
What's in the fucking box? Alright, so I'm just going to show you what's in the box. So obviously you get the box, you're going to have your instructions along with the Roush sticker, obviously the air filter, the air box, a bunch of paper, this universal rubber piece that I'll show you what to do with later, the actual tubing itself or the pipe. Alright, before I actually start installing it, I'm going to show you what the stock intake sounds like. Not listening to the exhaust, but listening to the intake, so I'm going to show you the difference. Sorry, it's a little dusty down here. Wow, that's really dusty. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to disconnect all the wiring, which is held on here by two little screws here, and another cable over here, which is just held on by a little clip. So that's done, and then let's take care of this one. Let's do this. Alright, now you don't want to lose this, so I'm just going to try to set it off to the side. And the screws too. Now to start disassembling the entire hose, the entire intake. It's got one, looks like it's only held down by one screw, but let's find out for sure. Right, next, I'm going to disconnect the hose here, held down by this clamp. Alright, simple enough. And now, let's take care of this one over here as well. Alright, so simple enough, right? Let's prepare the actual pipe. So this is the OEM air pipe, whatever, and this is the Roush one. See, this one's actually a lot bigger, not just longer, but actually it's a bigger diameter pipe. Don't really know the measurements. I could read the paper actually. Let's see. This is doesn't say. Cool. Alright, so this one's a lot bigger, so it's gonna have more airflow. And thanks to the filter, it's gonna have more air going in anyway. So, big improvement. Big. And now the actual box itself. Looks like it's only held on by one screw. So, that's the only screw right here I'm trying to take off. It looks like it's a little stripped. I don't know if anyone's trying to take it off before me, but I'm gonna try different tools and see if that works. Alright, got the screw off, so the box just comes right out. It's only being held on by one screw, so it's pretty easy. Put it off to the side. Alright, so let's just do a quick comparison of the two. This is your OEM air filter box, and this is the Roush one. It's a lot bigger. And let me show you your dirty OEM filter and your new Roush premium filter. Let's go ahead and put this on. Actually, before I start installing everything, you actually do need a few pieces from the OEM air box. It's gonna be these two grommets. You can just pull right off. They come off real easy. Go ahead and transfer them to the new one. Just go on like that. Perfect. And you're also gonna need this little rubber sleeve. This is the part that's gonna be on the mounting point of the OEM airbox. You're gonna need this piece right. Oh, if it can focus, come on, man. Work with me here. This piece right here. So let's go ahead and put it on. So I'm just gonna put it back in the same way it came out, in reverse. So it's gonna go airbox in first. Make sure. Oh no. So you got these two little holes right here, which is where these two rubber grommets go. I'm just gonna just match them up. Then we're back over here, putting this to the side, doing some more preparation on the pipe. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab the mass airflow sensor, and then you're gonna install it on the Roush intake pipe, just like that. And then put on your 2 screws, tighten it down, and then we're moving on to the next step. All right, this is pretty cool. So it gives you these 2 different options, and it's kind of universal because, well, the kit is universal, not these. This is meant for automatic transmissions, so we're not going to use this one. This one here is just a plug meant for manual transmissions. So we're just going to go ahead and put this right here where it belongs. Okay, so once we have that screwed in, I stripped the head a little bit because it is plastic, but it doesn't matter as long as it plugs in this hole. For manual transmissions, in my case, it's good. Don't worry about it. Then we're gonna grab this metal grommet and put it right in here, just like that. And then we're ready to install this pipe. You guys, if I sound really monotone, I'm really sorry. This is my work voice. I realize I'm using my work voice with you guys. It's not how I always talk, trust me. I'm trying to get out of it. So in the kit, it provides 2 different hose clamps. This is a number 48 and a 64. They're numbered, so it's a little easier to tell them apart. So what it says is to put the number 48 over the small part of this rubber hose thing right here. I'm just gonna call it a rubber hose thing. And put the other one on the pipe part of it. And don't tighten them down just yet. And then go ahead and slide this on over. And just put it all in right now. I don't know. Okay. Okay, so I was just being stupid. Okay, got that figured out. Please ignore the stupidity. Okay, then slide the hose clamp over so I can tighten them down easily later. I'm gonna attach this hose back in. Easy. I'm gonna reattach the mass airflow sensor. Easy enough. Okay, right here it just says you have to screw it on. Screw this hose on to this, and it provides the hardware for it. Whatever, these 2 bolts. And it's just 2 bolts and 2 washers, so let's go ahead and put them on. Anyways, that's all in. So let's go ahead and see what else we have to do. Okay, and then the last piece is just to install the actual air filter and the weather strip. We're just gonna go up against the hood when you close the hood so that it provides an airtight seal. Yeah. And now the weather strip should just slide over around the edges. Should be it. Oh, actually, I'm not sure how this goes. I'll figure it out. So I'm gonna turn it on. See how it sounds.
Oh shit, that's it?
Yeah.
It looks fucking dope.
Right?
Dude, it looks like you're making this shit look like a time machine.
Like a time machine?
Yeah, look at that.
Alright. I'm gonna record how it sounds, ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, but compare to that old one. Look at that. Looks like it's got. Oh.
Yeah! No, it's my sleep shirt.
What?
What the fuck? Dude, I just look.
Alright. Here, get in the car real quick. Ew. Dude, don't do that, bro.
Oh, dude, you make a mess. It's smearing on my shirt. Shut up.
Your shirt has a mustard stain. Hey, turn it off real quick.
Where?
Where? On your shoulder. What's that on your shoulder?
I don't know. Say something else. Paint.
Alright, turn it off, turn it off.
Oh, what was that? Did you hear that? Oh, what is that? That sounds so cool. Do it again.
I turn it off. Oh! Oh my god, I love it. You're on, you're good. Alright, let's go.
Safety is number one priority.
Wait, just one more. Alright, let's take it down that long stretch of road. You can hear that. I don't know how to describe that sound. Let me put the windows up. I feel like it's not louder, but the engine suck and the air in is definitely more audible. Oh fuck! Dude! Oh my god, it sounds so much better! Dude! Brandon! Oh my god! Oh my god! Do I have a boner? Oh my god! I don't know if you can even hear that on camera, but it sounds so much like ballsier. You hear that suck of air? Alright, I'm about to go. It sounds like it has a throatier note to it. I don't know, but it didn't have that sound before this. Alright, ooh, okay. No one's around.